how to generate caption with AI generator. First, let's go to CAPCUT. Open the CAPCUT and click import. Here I will choose a video. Let's choose our video right here. Let's find the video we want to. This video right here. I will generate caption for this video automatically, so we'll add it to this space right here and click text, auto caption right here, auto caption, and click choose your language. For me, I will choose English, and now we will wait until generating our caption for free. Let's see the caption right here. Here's our caption. I will just here change the color and the size. Here I will go with this size. The animation, I will just change the animation. For example, for this one I will like, yeah, I like this one. Now let's see the result. Here we can go with this animation. Now I like instead this one. So let's see the result again. That's it, guys. This is the result, and this is caption. If you don't if you have a mistake here, you can go and change it, but it's okay for me. Let's go and export our video. I will just go with this 4K, and here I will write my video 1000 easy digital product to sell. That's it, guys. See you in other video.